Have you ever heard this guy? He calls him the king of knife, right? Now, everybody's telling me this guy is the king of knife.
Unlike
And now,
some places, hidden fees are never a worry with Gas South.
How long have you been sitting here?
I just need to make my video, as cool as the collection.
What about Subway meets?
so everybody is telling me this is the king of knife. Now, chat, I want to be like him, chat, right? So I want to be, but like, I suck at knife. So then I was thinking in Rivals Room, maybe I can use chainsaw. So chat, I will declare myself as the chainsaw king. So I'll be playing 5 rounds of Rivals, and I'm gonna prove to you that I'm worthy to use chainsaw. Let's go. So we just hopped in Rivals, and I'm gonna go right here and play, and I'm gonna do a 1v1. Now, chat, make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 300 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe. Let's go. So, chat, you're telling. So next. So, chat, now we are gonna do this. So, I'm only gonna use chainsaw, nothing else. But I'm gonna show you some methods that can help me win with this chainsaw. Now, guys, I am versing a 98 player. Now, yes. Okay, so there is chainsaw. Now I am gonna use freeze ray for this. So now I'm gonna prove to you that I am the next chainsaw. So this method is, I'm gonna try freezing. Chat, that was a warm-up. Okay, chill. Okay, bro. Well, this method, you need to use freeze ray and chainsaw. Sometimes you can win with this chainsaw by yourself. Okay. Thinks he's doing. See, bro? Okay, I gotta win 5 rounds of Rivals to prove I am the Chainsaw King. So the other method. Okay, so we got it. Next one is great. Okay, I gotta reload my gas. Now. Boom! Hold on, bro. chat. Remember, I gotta win 5 rounds of rivals to prove I am the next chainsaw king. I am the chainsaw king. Not the next. Ooh, bro. It's over. It's just too easy, bro. Well, I'm not 50. Oh, bro. I'm in the. Yes, so you can use. I can use freeze ray, and I can use chainsaw. Chat, that was 1 round of rivals. We got 4 more rounds to go. Let's go. I know my camera's not on, but it's fine. But chat, now we gotta do 4 more rounds of rivals, and then I'll prove to myself I am the chainsaw king. Let's go. So next, we're gonna go to another 1v1. There's Nolly. One day, chat, if this video gets to 100 views or 100k views, I will try to verse the only Nolly. I don't know if I can, but I'll try to. Or I can verse YouTubers. But first, I gotta prove to myself I am the chainsaw king. So first, we have 4 more rounds left. Okay, well the duos. Okay, so I got 4 more rounds, and I'm prove to you guys I am the next chainsaw. Is there like a chain? Alright, chat. I don't know. Alright, chat. 4 more rounds. We're seeing, oh, we're the same at, okay guys, so I'm only gonna use chainsaw and freeze ray because that's, okay, so you know what we're gonna do, we're gonna pick chainsaw and freeze ray. Now, remember guys, okay, just walk in and watch this video. Guy's using like a rifle, so I gotta keep it. Guy's using a rifle. Yeah, bro's trying to win, bro. Bro's scared. Okay, bro's just scared of me. Okay. Free go. Okay, bro's up. He was so low. Okay, this guy's a rifle. I gotta freeze him, bro. This guy just wants to win, bro. This guy just wants to win, bro. Alright, I gotta lock in. I can't lose a round. Okay, bro. Okay, this guy just wants to win. Chill. Got it. Dude, okay, bro, this guy's just flexing me, bro. I wish I could use my other gun, but I want to prove myself I'm the next Chainsaw King, so I can't be raging. Nah, bro, I'm on my way here, bro. Yeah, come on. Oh, bro. That's why I'll be the next Chainsaw King, bro. Lock in. Stop. Okay, bro, chill. No, I can't lose, bro. Oh my god. If I lose, chat, it's game over. Okay, no, this guy. No. Chill. Where is he? Where is he? I'll be under here. Bro. Oh, bro. Oh my god, bro. This guy. Bro. Okay, come on, guys. Come on, bro. Come on, we can't lose. Okay. I got him. I got you, shield. Got him. Chat, I got one more round. Come on. Oh my gosh, chat. Lock in, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, we got 4 more. Where is he? Oh my god, that's Aura! Oh my god! That's Aura! Let's go, guys, we won! Now we officially have we officially have 3 more rounds, and I prove to you guys I am the Chainsaw King. Let's get ready for the next match. Bro, that was so Aura, bro. Guys, click the second match, bro. I almost lost. Okay. Alright, so we gotta win 3 more rounds, and then we're gonna get the video. And guys, yes, I'm recording this at 9:20 p.m. Don't worry, this video, you'll watch this tomorrow at the school. But guys, please watch it. Okay, the next player is level 100. Okay, not bad. Okay. Okay, this is a sniper level, so I gotta lock in. Okay. Yeah, this guy's good. That's an easy point. I gotta stay here because this guy. Okay, this guy. I want to be the next Chainsaw. I'm just waiting to get the other. Chat, bro, I can't get him or else I'm gonna die. Bro, this is 3 minutes. No, I just gotta go. Yeah, bro. Give me that second point, bro. Let's go walk in. This kid. Oh. No, I can't shoot. I can just weave his shot. Okay, bro, this match is gonna be so boring. He thinks I'm there, but I'm actually not. Yeah, bro. Hey, bro, this is so easy, bro. Come on, bro. We gotta win 3 more matches. Let's go. Come on. This guy. Oh, bro. This guy's not weak. I want a fair match. Oh, okay, but bro should. Chad, this is the boringest match. Okay, bro, it's just slick, bro. Yeah. Come on, bro. Come on, Chad. We gotta win 3 more matches. Go, come on. There we go. Okay, this is a fair match. I still won. Oh my god, I scored. I still won. That's aura. That's 100% aura. I still won. Okay, this guy. Okay, bro. Bro's just trying to use. Oh, I scored. GG's, bro. Alright, chat. That is 3 wins. Now, chat, we have 1, 2 more wins, and I'm not gonna bore you for waiting. I'm gonna pause the video, and then once I'm in the round. Oh well, never mind. I'm in the round. But for the last round, I'm gonna pause it so we don't have to be bored. Yeah, I can pause it right now. Alright, chat, we're back. We're finally in the 4th match, and we got 120 player. Now, chat, can we beat? This is round 4. We got to lock in. Okay, we're playing dice. Okay, I gotta lock in. that? Okay, bro. Dude. Okay, this guy. Ooh, shit, bro. I gotta lock in, bro. I gotta lock in. Calm down, Luke. You're gonna be the next chainsaw king. Lock in. Okay, bro, just trying to snipe. Ooh. Bro. Oh, this is. Okay, you know what, bro? This is not fair, bro. Okay, bro, should. Oh my god, it's a safe. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Oh, that's 1 point. That's 1 point. Lock in. Okay, guys, not bad. We got 1 point. That's still good. Okay. Okay, this guy snipes really good. I gotta leave his knife. Oh, I killed him. Come on, bro. We're tied. Come on, lock in, bro. I'm not losing, bro. I'm not losing, bro. I want to prove to you guys. Okay, this guy, let's see. Let's go, bro. The 3rd point. Let's go. I'm coming back, bro. That's why you don't mess with me, boy. Because I come back. Okay, this guy maybe be the king of snipers, but I'm the king of chainsaws. Okay, I gotta lock in because this guy snipes really good. This guy's just scared, bro. Are you sure? Let's go, bro. Oh my god, chat, we have 1 more point. Oh my god, chat. We have 1 more point, bro. Bro, we gotta lock in, bro. There's no way. This guy's pretty. Let's go! Oh my god, he did it. Oh my god. Shot. Oh my god, shot. Okay, guys. I'm really excited. Okay, guys, we have win. Okay, we got 1 point. I'm gonna pause the video and I'll pause it when our match with those score. Alright, guys, we're in our final match. That level 65, 68. Okay, guys, we can win this last round. Everybody watching the video when I post this, everybody cross the fingers. Because I could okay, bro, let's go, bro. It's cool, bro. Come on, bro, we got 1 more. Come on, Luke, lock in. We can win 1 more. Okay, this guy has. Oh my god, bro. I just got fooled with the knife. That is insane. Okay, we gotta lock in, bro. Okay, well, this guy's nice. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna lock in, bro. This round, bro. Okay, but I gotta freeze right in, bro. I cannot lose, bro. I cannot lose. I cannot lose, bro. Exactly. Okay, bro. I'm one shot. Let's go. Headshot. Let's go. Oh my gosh! I Aura, let's go, bro. Lock in, bro, lock in. Oh, let's go, bro. Bro, one more point, bro. Lock in, come on, this is the final match. Bro, chat, bro, I can't lose. Come on. No way I just beat that. No way I just... Where is he, bro? Where is... This guy's low, this guy's low. This guy's so low. This guy is so low. Nah, bro. Oh my gosh, we won. Oh my gosh. Well, chat. We proved it. We did. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. And I prove to you, chat, I am the king of sniper, the king of chainsaw. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.